I tell you what, man, thinking about this whole transition has really made me reflect on how I started in the business. It all started back in 2002, and I was working at O'Malley's on the time. I had helped them open the restaurant in 1998. It was a slow night. One of the waitresses was studying something at the end of the bar. Fortunately, I was curious enough to ask her, like, what are you working on? And she told me it was her real estate exam. It just had piqued my interest. I loved the connectivity of working in the restaurant business. I loved the service aspect. And quite honestly, I really liked the shenanigans. I decided to get my license and jump in because I knew I could put together something amazing, understanding people, understanding personalities, understanding business, and have a lot of fun doing it, right? So when I first got into the business, I started at a company where you had to wear a yellow coat. If they've done their job, I don't even need to tell you the name of the companies. And I thought my life had ended. I literally found out in the first 4 months of the business exactly what I did not want to do. And so I said to myself, that's it. I'm going to work in an office that's right in downtown Seal Beach. And there was this little office right on the corner of Main Street and Electric. I quickly learned my age at the time, I was 28. I wasn't gonna get any respect from the other real estate professionals here in town. And that was something I never forgot. And I was just wet behind the ears kid that was 28 years old. And I knew a lot of people here in town having grown up here, but I just got my real estate license. So I was kind of new to how that all worked and those relationships, which are vital to being in the real estate industry. But I'm also thankful that it was hard. It made me want it more. It made me lean into how bad I wanted to get into the real estate business here in town. And had it been easy, I honestly probably wouldn't be here telling the story. I wouldn't be here trying to open a new brokerage company to improve something that is already hard on easy days and make it even better in a market that's changing, right? That is part of why I love what I get to do as a broker. As I get to this, literally the end of a decade of having my name on the door of this business in preparation for making this big decision, I think the biggest question I was asking myself is, why would I do this? Why am I doing this now? And the answer is simple. I wanted to make a business that was bigger than me, right? Bigger than my name. And taking my name off the door is going to allow not only this business and all of my agents' businesses to grow, it's also going to allow our customers to have even a bigger and better customer service experience. I mean, that's what this business is all about at the end of the day. It's about our customers. It's about the experience they have. It's about the memories that they'll create as part of buying and selling real estate. You know, we're the facilitators of that experience, and this next iteration is going to make that a better experience for the customers, for the agents that work here, for my family, for the community which we touch. But just thinking about all of those things that make this business fun, make me smile, are what we want to bring more of with this next iteration, which is Splash Real Estate.